The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss is a guide to breaking away from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and designing a life focused on freedom, efficiency, and lifestyle over work. Ferriss introduces the concept of lifestyle design, emphasizing working smarter, not harder, to achieve financial independence and more personal freedom. Key strategies include automating income, delegating tasks, and focusing on high-impact activities. Ferriss encourages readers to embrace a mini-retirement mindset, suggesting that instead of waiting for retirement, one can build a life with more travel, learning, and meaningful experiences now. The book advocates for leveraging technology, outsourcing, and time management to create a work-life balance that maximizes freedom and fulfillment. What the book is mainly about? The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss is mainly about escaping the traditional 9-to-5 work model and creating a life of freedom and flexibility through lifestyle design. Ferriss challenges the idea of working long hours to accumulate wealth for retirement, suggesting instead that people can enjoy a fulfilling life now by prioritizing efficiency and automating income. The book focuses on strategies like delegating tasks, automating business processes, and focusing on essential, high-impact work to achieve more with less effort. Ferriss advocates for building passive income streams, outsourcing non-essential work, and taking many retirements throughout life. His approach is centered on maximizing time and freedom, allowing individuals to pursue experiences and personal growth instead of being tied to a traditional work schedule. The concepts in the 4-Hour Workweek can be applied practically to improve productivity in several ways. Eliminate non-essential tasks. Ferriss emphasizes the 80-20th rule, Pareto principle, focusing on the 20% of tasks that yield 80% of results. Identify high-impact tasks and eliminate or delegate low-value activities. Automate repetitive processes. Automate routine tasks using tools and software, example scheduling, customer service chatbots, or email templates, freeing time for more strategic work. Outsource tasks. Delegate time-consuming tasks that don't require your unique skills. This could include administrative work, research, or social media management, allowing you to focus on higher-value activities. Practice time blocking. Set dedicated blocks of time for focused, uninterrupted work on critical tasks. This can reduce distractions and increase efficiency. Set clear goals and mini-retirements. Define personal and professional goals clearly, focusing on what you want to achieve now rather than delaying fulfillment. Periodically take breaks or mini-retirements to recharge and maintain balance. By applying these principles, you can streamline your workflow, reduce burnout, and increase productivity, all while freeing up time to focus on meaningful activities and personal growth. In the 4-Hour Workweek, Tim Ferriss introduces the DEAL framework as a step-by-step approach to escape traditional work constraints and design a life of freedom and flexibility. Here's what it stands for. D. Definition. Define your goals, values, and ideal lifestyle. This step emphasizes clarifying what you want out of life and work, so you can break away from the default path and focus on what truly matters to you. E. Elimination. Eliminate non-essential tasks by focusing only on high-impact activities. This involves using the 80-20th rule to cut out tasks and commitments that waste time, freeing you up for things that create the most value. A. Automation. Automate income and routine tasks to create a sustainable flow of passive income and reduce the need for hands-on work. This includes outsourcing and leveraging technology to handle repetitive or low-skill tasks. L. Liberation. Gain freedom from a traditional workspace by working remotely or setting up systems that allow you to work from anywhere. This stage emphasizes achieving personal freedom, allowing for flexibility in how, where, and when you work. The DEAL framework encourages shifting focus from working harder to working strategically, creating a lifestyle that prioritizes personal fulfillment and freedom over traditional career structures.